She cleans up pretty good, huh? She's not too bad.
Needs a little tire shine, and then that sets it off, no matter how dirty it is.
Yep, look at that. Look, step back for a second. Look at the shine. We got a couple blemishes on the bumper, but from right here, it looks pretty dang good. Just trying to get her all showroom quality, even though it's a race car. I don't really care what it looks like. It goes fast, and that's all I care about. But yeah, also something kind of crazy is Kyle's unicorn is over here. He is not here actually, but Kyle from 1320 video brought the unicorn. It's parked right next to us actually, so that's pretty cool as well. And I'm sure we will be walking around here in a bit. Everyone's just kind of getting set up. The show hasn't started just yet, so we still have a good solid hour before people start rolling in. But yeah, this is the first car show for the hatch. Last time we were here, it was in the minivan, and we weren't able to get it inside because we didn't register anything.
Yeah, we got it late. So
we had it parked outside when we brought the van. So this is the same meet as last year that we brought the Odyssey to, but this year we were actually able to get the hatch inside with all the other cars. So it's gonna be pretty sweet.
Looks bigger this year too. The other spot was like small last year.
Yeah, this is a much bigger place. It's set up way better this year. Yeah, and last year they had a whole bunch of issues with the lines. Like people were waiting outside, and people waited like 3 hours in line and didn't even get in.
It was super cold.
And they already pre-registered, and it was cold out. Yeah, this one looks like it's gonna be a lot better, more organized. But hell yeah. Got the hatch posted up with Trevor's Supra. This thing is beautiful, man.
Thanks.
It's crazy how far it's come.
Yeah, I know, it's been lots of nights of sanding and priming.
I can only imagine. And for those of you who don't follow it or don't know, this Supra looked like that when he got it. Complete basket case. Barnyard find. Completely restored.
I couldn't afford like a normal one, like buying a $20,000 Supra. So I bought like a $3,000 one out of a field and then turned it into like a 20-some-thousand.
Like 40,000 plus.
Yeah, exactly. But
it looks really good.
Spend the money on the mods instead of like the car, you know, which is pretty much what you would do anyhow. Like I got to mod the car instead of buying a car to mod. So.
Do you think you have that much into it or way less?
Probably closer to 30. I don't know.
That's not bad.
I got like discounts and deals and stuff like that too on a lot of the stuff, so that saved a lot of money. But I mean, if I'd have bought like everything retail, it's probably been close to 30.
Also, I saw some people in my comments a little interested in a possible friendly race.
A little Colorado YouTuber.
A little Mexico action.
A little Colorado Mexico action. I got some weight on you, but you got.
I mean, we're pretty similar on power.
We got similar-ish power.
I definitely have you on like 1,000 pounds of weight though.
The weight is what's gonna do it. I mean, I don't know. I watched your car like launch off the line. I mean, if you're on street tires, you'll probably just spin.
Yeah, I mean, I'll probably have radials on it, so.
Yeah. But off the line, your car just is like. So, I don't know. And I've never launched this thing yet, so.
Yeah, or we could do just like a little roll or something,
yeah,
like whatever, just for fun.
I think that'd be fun. Yeah, I definitely think we need to do it.
It'd be fun to get together and do something with the cars.
It's like wet and snowy-ish out there right now.
Yeah, the weather's not the best for it right now, but I know we never meet up even though we're only a couple hours apart.
Yeah, we're like 2.5 hours away from each other. So
we need to do some more things together, and I'll get that S14 together so we can
you need to come
go
out
hit up IMI or something.
It's time to come out, which I remember giving you a ride in my S14.
Yeah, and I was like I want to do this.
I told you you're going to be hooked.
Yeah, it was fun.
It's like drag racing. Drag racing is a lot of fun, but drifting's
really fun.
Don't get mad at me. I'm not like talking crap about drag racing stuff. I want to do something.
They won't care.
Too. But and you get like the time in the car too.
Yeah.
You're out there for like a minute at a time, and then you
instead of just 10 seconds.
Or like hot lap tracks.
10 seconds or less. Yeah, Mr.
9 seconds.
Only 9 seconds. Your car's the fastest car I've ever ridden in. So that was like, we're like, you know, like a starship or something. Like stuff started getting
That's I love when people say that. Like it's nuts. That's what Adam LZ said too.
Yeah, no, your car was crazy. Like, it makes me want to build this a little bit more. So I just
and then after I rode in yours, I went and bought Emilio's S14.
I know.
Because I was like, now I want to drift. So you got to get the Civic off the shelf and get it going, and I'll get the S14 up and going.
And then I'm gonna turn.
And then we can collab all the time.
So when you beat me, I'm gonna have to turn this up, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna beat you.
Oh, okay. We'll see.
I know how this is gonna go down.
This is legit.
We out here.
Alright guys, so people are starting to roll in right now, and this whole time we didn't even know, but we're actually one of the first cars people see when they come in, because everyone is coming in right through these doors right over here. We actually thought we were like all the way in the back since we pulled in through this kind of back door over here, but turns out we kind of got a really good spot, so that is awesome. Huge thanks to Trevor from Motion Auto for letting us park next to his tent. And even Kyle's Unicorn, it has a perfect spot. I don't know where you're at, Kyle, but you're missing out. What's up, Manny?
Oh, shoot.
How you doing?
Again. What's up, bro?
Actually, you're the real reason I came out, honestly.
Damn. Oh, I know, huh? Do you like my invite message at 4 a.m. in the morning?
Yep. He's like, hey, come on down. We got extra room.
I just got him back from Mexico, and I thought about you. I was like, you should invite Kyle to the party tomorrow.
Hey, between me and you, isn't that the same Lambo we were playing with?
Oh, shit.
Isn't that the same one?
It lost to Kyle, but don't tell nobody.
That's the same one.
That Lamborghini lost to Kyle Civic, but I won't tell nobody else. Right? That's it. No more. Sorry, guys. But that's it.
That's the same one.
That's it. Man, always nice to see you guys.
Yeah, you too, man.
At the meet.
We actually made it in this time.
Oh, I know, but it should have been.
Because last year we were trying to get the minivan.
The minivan would have been so freaking bad.
I know, it wasn't ready yet. Hey, broke first gear.
I'm gonna be ready. Dude, because I don't fit in your Civic. Do you guys want to see me try to fit in that Civic? Because
I don't think you'll be able to get out.
Wow, is that a fat joke, Kyle? You know, I thought about buying like one of the little smart cars, the little Geo Metros, and like taking out both of those freaking seats out of the way and putting like a big old bucket,
just a big bench seat.
A bear seat in the middle.
That'd be so funny.
Oh yeah, poor Lamborghini, man.
Yeah, Manny over here with 1320,
yep.
Colorado chapter.
Check us out Friday nights at the car meets. Always having fun.
Always out here, down in Denver.
Yeah, down in Denver. We're here in Denver. Whether
every weekend there's a car meet.
Every Friday night. Sometimes we go to Mexico after the car meet, but bring your passports, right, guys?
Yeah.
I mean, unless they're like me, then they don't have one. Oh wait, no, don't tell that. No.
So Emilio's gonna hang out over here by the hatch, in case
by the booth.
By the booth.
The hatch is in the front. The booth is in the back.
In case we sell any t-shirts, I'm gonna walk around real quick, get some shots, and throw a little montage together for you guys. Show off some of the cars over here. This is a really cool car mate, by the way. So wanted to show some of the cars since we never did that last year when we brought the Odyssey.
This is a clean. Did you see that EF?
Oh yeah, I saw it. There's a lot of cool cars out here. So I'm gonna throw a quick montage together. Let's get it. Yo, this is Brent's car right here. Coca-Cola'd out. Look at this thing, that's sick. Brent would love this. He might be coming later, so I know he's gonna check this one out for sure. Hell yeah, that's awesome. The Coca-Cola interior. That's sweet, and it's really, really clean. What's up, man? Dude, you have to come look at this car.
What is it?
You're gonna be blown away.
Really?
You're gonna be blown away. That red EK, just go look at it. Yeah, just go look at it. Go look at the front of it. You haven't even seen it yet. Keep looking.
Yeah. Oh, what? That's sick.
Keep looking.
That's sick.
Look at that.
That's rad. This is my guy. This is cool.
Look at the interior.
Yeah, this is rad. What?
Look at the shifter.
Dude, in the door. Oh, dang.
It's all coked out.
It's all coked out. Coked out. It's like, dude.
Isn't it awesome?
It's awesome. I actually gotta get some pictures with it. Like, yeah, like.
Look at the overflow.
This is rad.
It's sick, huh?
With the straw.
For the windshield fluid.
That is really cool. Like, I want to meet him.
Yeah, this is sick. Oh, I didn't even see the gauge cluster.
Oh, it's awesome. Oh, it's got the same stuff as the here too.
That's Motion Auto's Supra too. Trevor.
Oh, that's his car. It turned out
That's
nice.
the one he got from a
It
field.
turned out really good.
Yeah.
Don't get too close.
Like that.
I'm the bodyguard here. You guys gotta stay 5 feet
What about
away.
those guys?
Those guys, they bought the VIP ticket, so leave them alone.
Yeah, I had to load the old tune back in it, put it back on the 85 on the way over.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's still at 91. Dude, the tune from when it made 682, I loaded that in here, and it was cruising like 8.0s. I had to pull all the
filter.
I pulled like 20% out.
Shows you what that filter did.
Yeah.
Wow. Because that's what it did down there. That's why I had to tune it again from Garrett's shop to the track.
Yeah, it has all the fuel now.
Yeah. Yeah. That, thing was
That filter fixed it all.
Yeah. He fixed everything.
Yeah, he didn't even show up.
Yeah, he messaged me and he was like, "Are you going to HIN or whatever?" And I was like, "Kyle's there right now. I'm going later." But he didn't say why. Now I see why.
It's here. He FaceTimed me earlier.
That's right.
And I sent him a video. I was like, "Oh, we got Kyle's hatch and we got Kyle's unicorn, but we're missing one of the Kyles."
Oh, it's the man cave.
Yeah, it's the man cave.
Because he took it out to SEMA for me. That's right. Now it all comes back to me.
Yep. There she is. So you're doing RC cars now.
Just
The new hobby. So, little background story. This is Jordan. And back when I used to scooter, he kind of like sponsored me for some clothing. Yep, Monarch clothing back in the day.
Oh yeah.
But we go way back, but now he's into the RC drifters. You still working at the sticker company?
Sticker company. Y'all are keeping him too busy, man. Never wants to come down and play.
Oh yeah.
Finally, today's the day.
Finally. These things are sick. First show and it's already winning awards.
Well, there's only like 4 Supras here.
Oh yeah. The hottest Supra.
The hottest Supra. I like how it's even in the Supra letter.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it was the 20s that did it. The Hot Boy 20s.
Yeah. Definitely deserves it. This thing's sick. You trailered it here, right? Or did you drive
Yeah,
it?
it's in the enclosed.
Yeah, that's good because
you drove here?
there's quite a snowstorm going on outside. Yeah, I drove here. We'll be all
I
right.
didn't have no snow tires. You'll be alright though. It was like warm today, so it shouldn't stick for a little while at least.
Hopefully.
See the wind through the
Yeah, look,
the
it's
window
it's
up there?
blowing hard out there.
It's like blowing real hard.
It's a blizzard outside right now.
Oh, she got hottest Mitsubishi too.
Oh, did you get something? Hottest Mitsubishi?
I gotta get a picture of you with your car and your thing so I can put it on.
This is Nicole's Evo. She was here with Trevor. Thing's sweet. Alright guys, so we're fixing to head out from Hot Import Nights. We had a great time. Trevor got all his stuff loaded up as well. We met a whole bunch of people. I might leave the Hatch and Emilio shop for tonight, but yeah, we'll pick up after we get out of here. But yeah, had a great time. It was awesome.
So we're waiting to get out right now. It's all calm in here, and then you come out here and it's like,
Yeah, I mean, it's snowing pretty good.
Whoa.
But, I mean, if we need to go back there underneath the highway, I mean, we could go back to cashiering. The wind's kind of
dumping. dumping. Oh, damn. What an entrance.
Just drove through a blizzard, dude. Oh, and it sucked because the idle motor stopped working. You could probably hear it die right there, and I had to restart it real quick. It won't idle. It just dies. Dude, that was rough. Good thing we put the one windshield wiper back on when we drove back from Florida. Did you ever see that?
Oh yeah, I did. Yeah.
One wiper. This one right here.
So she's sleeping in the garage tonight?
Yeah.
The roads are horrible.
We decided we're probably gonna leave the hatch here at Emilio's shop for the night because I'm a solid hour away in normal conditions, and it's pretty bad. The roads are really slick.
And it's worse up north too.
Yeah,
Right?
that little 15-minute drive over here was pretty rough. So probably gonna leave the hatch here, and I'll just come get it when it clears up.
I think we should, since it's here, you know what I'm saying? We should try to see what these look like on there.
I see what you're trying to do. Trying to make me buy your wheels.
Come on, bro. Look how clean they look.
Maybe. Oh, Hondaroo.
She's sleeping up there, bro. Don't talk too loud.
She's hibernating.
Yeah.
It's winter. She's sleeping for the winter.
Damn, the weather changed so quick. It was like
Dude,
nice.
It was so nice when we came over.
Yeah. Well, it was nice like before the event, and then when we got out, it was just like blizzard.
Yeah, when I came over, it was nice, and I was in my t-shirt, like getting gas for the hatch, and then now it's a blizzard and it's like -5.
That's Colorado.
Yep. Looks like I'm staying at your house for tonight. It's the next morning, and just like that, all the snow's gone. And now it's nice out.
There's no snow. What happened to it?
I mean, there's a little snow over there in the shade, but it's sunny on this side of the street. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know we usually don't go to car shows, but we actually had a lot of fun at this one. And right now we're getting ready to go over to the new shop. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.